Howdy folks, welcome back to Small Farm Guys. So today is actually, it's July 10th today. I was gonna do a garden update yesterday morning. I'll do it when I get home, doesn't matter. Well, should have done it yesterday morning because it looked a lot better than it does now. So we've got our beans over here. They're doing phenomenal. They're getting some flowers. This is actually a potato from last year. We got 2 potatoes from last year. Our peppers, again, like I said, they're getting better, but they are still not, I don't like the place we get them. Here's our cherry tomatoes. As you can see, they're overcoming their cages, and they're almost 5 feet high, because once you top the cage here, this is 5 feet. And the regular tomatoes, they're doing okay. Our lettuce, this is going to seed, but these are doing good. Here's some more beans here. And our little green beans, they look a little trampled because the dog got in there on them, but they should still produce. They're starting to put little flowers on and buds, so they should be ready to go here. And then the corn. You guys, if you saw our short, it was, well, you can see we got a tassel starting there. It was all 6 feet tall. This is what happened. The wind came in yesterday during the middle of the day and laid it down. I'm talking whirlwind. You can see it all bunched up here. So took beautiful looking corn and just laid it flat. And this is a risk that even farmers run into on the ends of their fields. And face it, this is just a short little row. You got 5 rows right at would be the end of the field, so it would lay down. So it happens. Hopefully I'm gonna water it. I stood some of it back up, put some string in there, kind of help hold it up, and it's now a salvage mission at this point. Sunday morning, because it's Monday today, Sunday morning, this stuff was 6 feet tall, looked beautiful. So that's a quick little update on our garden.